In this video, you will learn how to use an origin solid setup with haulage to optimize the dumping sequence and overall dump design for a mine site. By oversizing the original dump design, we allow evolution to optimize final dump shape by minimizing haulage hours across the schedule. In this dataset, we have designed two dumps which significantly exceed the total waste material to be mined. The waste is represented as E blue and F grey, and, including a swell factor of 1.2, we have a total waste volume of about 36.5 million cubic meters. We also have our two waste dumps with a combined capacity of about 80 million cubic meters, more than double our required size. You can see here that we have created and run a setup with this data already, and we will use the results from this to guide our dumping sequence and final dump designs. You can see from running the schedule animation that Evolution's haulage analysis is partially filling both of our dumps, and stepping up the dump height in places before completing the full dump bench. This is a visual way to observe the lowest haulage time solids being targeted first in the sequence. This approach is optimizing for the minimum number of haulage hours in each period. We can now export the end of period solids for this schedule, which will give us the dump progress solids for each period. Each solid represents the area which achieves minimum haulage hours per volume of waste achievable and can be used to guide more detailed dump design work, as well as CapEx decisions on fleet purchasing requirements. Thank you for watching. For more information about Evolution, please visit maptek.com.